What you're gonna do, right, is you're gonna apply a nice thin, even layer onto the enhancement. So this is like, I'm just doing it on a swatch so that you guys get a sense of how this product actually works, or at least how you can use conversion base and top together with our powders. You're going to apply a nice thin, even layer to the enhancement. Obviously in this case I'm working on a swatch. Okay. Alright. Now, depending on what you're doing, you can cure the first layer of conversion base, but for the demo purposes, you're not going to cure it. But if you're working on a natural nail, then I normally like to cure it, because then you get this clear layer underneath all of the stuff that you've built. And all you're going to do is you're going to take your powder and you're going to get one of these. You can get a spoon or one of these cuticle pushers, and you're literally going to take the powder out just like that, and you're going to pour it over the conversion base while it's still wet, and then just dust off the excess, and you'll see already the product has started to absorb on the base. You're going to pop that in your lamp for 60 seconds so that it gets a full cure. And what I like to do when I'm working conversion base is to use a really old El Cheapo little makeup brush like this, and I'll show you now what I do with it as well.
If you're doing this for somebody who likes their natural nails, right, and who prefers something like gel, this is a very quick service, and the colors are very pigmented, so it's not necessary always for a second coat. A first coat does the job. A second coat would be to add a little bit of strength.
And now I'll do a second coat. Just nice thin, even layers. So the trick, I guess, with all these gels and using even conversion base and top is working thin layers. Even if you have to do 3, it doesn't matter.
Yes, I agree.
The minute you try and go with very thick layers, you're going to either get it uneven or it's not going to cure. Those are your options.
If it's too thick, it's also going to run like into the cuticles.
100%.
Or the gel is going to move once you pour the product on top.
Correct. A little bit of the fluff.
Oh, fluffs. Welcome to winter.
Always. Always. Alright, and then you're going to do it exactly the same thing all over again. Just pour it over the wet acrylic. Give it a couple of seconds. And tap off the excess into the pot. And pop that again in the lamp for another 60 seconds. And again, if you're working on a person, right, you would like do all 5 fingers. Put the hand in the lamp, and when it comes out, you dust it all off again, and do your second coat. Put the entire hand in the lamp. Poof, you're done. It is a quick. And you're going to then top coat it with conversion top. Okay, and nice thin, even layer of conversion top as well. And there you go.
Absolutely beautiful.
And that's that. Done and dusted. Demo with Sapphire Serenity. That's the pure acrylic version. And conversion base does have a tacky layer on it, so you would need to just wipe off the tacky layer, either with manicure cleans. I sometimes prefer manicure cleans. but you could do it with swipe as well.